Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 error code the application was unable to start correctly. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Check .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8. Second method is Open File Explorer. Delete X input 1_.dll from System32 and SYSWOW64. Third method is open any browser. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.